Hey folks, Todd Martin here, your local Louisville real estate broker, and I appreciate you stopping by my blog. Now, as you can see, we are getting into the lazy days of summer, so I know that the market's a little bit crazy right now, and I've talked with a lot of you out there, and some of you have decided to stay put. And you talk about doing updates to your house. So today's topic, what I want to get into is don't get caught up on nickel and diming your house. Also making sure that it's the right decision for you. Now, let's talk about this for just a second if we can, okay? Most people want to usually update a kitchen or a bathroom. And let's give an example here and let's kind of talk about it because there's going to be a couple of tips below. So let's say you've got a new kitchen planned. You've got, say, $25,000 in your budget, okay? You go out and you get 3 contracts or you get 3 appraisals from 3 different contractors, and they run between, say, $60,000 and $30,000. Well, is it wise to snag the cheapest one? I don't know. That's a question that you have to ask yourself. You've got to talk to a couple of people and find out. So, first step number 1 is financially vet your project. What I mean by that is it going to be worth your return? Are you making the right decision on that particular project that you're looking at? Is it a kitchen? Is it a bathroom? Is it finishing a basement? Is it just painting some walls? What is that? But you want to vet that. One of the ways that you can do that is through the National Association of Realtors, or NAR, Remodeling Impact Report. I'll give you the link below so you can read that and kind of peruse at your leisure. The second thing is you want to properly vet the contractor. Now, when I'm talking about properly vetting the contractor, obviously you've met that contractor, you've talked to that contractor, you're going to ask that contractor for references. And the references that you get, you want to make sure that it's the same type of work. Now, there's 3 kind of subcategories to that. And the first one is you want to ask that contractor, hey, are you licensed? Are you insured? Can I have a copy of your policy? Because if anything goes wrong, you don't want to be footing the bill for something that could cost you thousands of dollars above and beyond what your original budget was. The second thing is do they belong to any professional associations? Are they a member of the Home Builders Association? Do they carry a license for anything as such? Are they a licensed carpenter? Are they a licensed electrician? Do they have any type of organization that they work for? And third, are there any online reviews of their product? Okay, so I know that not everything online is always good, but you got to take some time and research them. The next thing is when you get your bid, you want to make sure you compare apples to apples. So what I mean by that is if one contractor is talking about pulling permits and the other is not, or one is more specific into detail, you need to ask how they're going to cover these particular items. So again, make sure you vet the apples to apples. It's very important. And the biggest key to working with a contractor is you can always motivate them with money. What I mean by that is good, bad, or indifferent, you should probably never pay a contractor up front. Okay, now I know contractor needs some money for possibly some supplies that you're paying for. You know, there's ways to negotiate that with him. When the supplies are delivered, then you'll cut the check. Not beforehand, not when he's out buying it. You want to make sure that they're financially strong. Can they afford to do the project for you? And also, and finally, the one thing that you want to do, make sure that you're doing the right project. Again, is it going to be beneficial to you in your neighborhood and in your setting? Now, you can always call me. We can talk about it. We can look at some numbers. I'm happy to help. You want a CMA run on your house? You want a market agreement? You want a market analysis run on your house? Let me know. I'll pull some numbers for you. And it might be better for you to sell versus stay and find something that you like. Again, there's a lot of options out there, and I know the market's crazy, so let's talk about it. And of course, if you happen to know somebody that's looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, don't keep me a secret. I'm always happy to help, and I'm always here to answer your questions. Have a great day, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.